Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your own host, Intuit certified bookkeeper, USA payroll specialist, and USA tax expert Faizan Khalid. In this video lesson, I'm going to tell you USA income taxation tax simulation via Turbotax. So this is a simulation. We are filing the taxes for Sasha. Sasha lives in Albany, New York. Albany is a city name and New York is a state name. She lives with and is independent on her family. She's 18, in high school and working as a clerk. She's also working as a clerk. Okay. So if you file your taxes, income taxes via TurboTax, so you need to, first of all, you need to fill out the personal information, fill out the federal taxes information, then state taxes information, and the final review. First of all, we are going to take her personal information. Got it? So I've already calculated. So I'm going to tell you the procedure from the first step. Okay. So basically, first of all, you need to fill out the personal information section. There are 4 sections, as I told you: personal info, federal taxes section, state taxes section, and final review section. Okay. So first of all, we need to first name, last name, date of birth, and clerk, where it is Sasha's bio. Okay. So here I now Sasha, first name, last name Green, date of birth is 2006. She was born in 2nd January 2006. Occupation or job title is clerk. Continue. Then you need to write her SSN number. SSN number is social security number. Okay. Continue. You need to select these options. So she's a dependent of her parents. So I selected this option. Continue. She's single. Yes. Do you have any dependents? No. She doesn't have any dependents. Continue. Okay. So her mailing address is US address. You can select any of these. Okay. So US address because she's from the US. Address 109 Walk-in Avenue. City Albany. State New York. Zip code this. Phone number this. That's it. Continue. That's we have created. Now what we need to do is that we need to go to the federal taxes section. We have already filled out the personal information section. Now federal information section, you need to this. Okay. Enter the employee ID from your this is W2 form. Okay, let me show you the W2. Sasha's W2. When you file the taxes, definitely you will, on the basis of W2 information, you will put the information, right? This is the W2 of Sasha's W2. Understand? So employer section is this. ABC is an employer section. Sorry, BC is an employer section. As you can see, BC, then 15. Okay, as you can see, employer state ID number. Okay, employer identification number, you will see. Let's go back to Sasha's taxes. Employer ID number you write. Then you write employer identification number again. Employer identification number, EIN, employer name, which is the bookstore. Address, again, employer is also from the US. Address, zip code, city, state. Box A, social security number, you will write box A. As you can see, box A is social security number, yours, Sasha's security number, right? This is employer info. Continue. You've already put it. Now you can see box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5, box 6. Whatever the amount in box 1, box 2, you need to fill it. Paste it in that. Okay. You don't need to box 12A, box 12D, 7, 8, 9, 10 you don't need. Understand? Only 15, 16. 15 is New York, employer state ID number, box 16, box 17, whatever you, on the basis of your W2 information, you will put it. This is 15, 16, 17, 18 box. 18 is empty, you don't need to fill out 18 box, right? Continue. W2 is done. You say, okay, done. So you're on track to get tax breaks and a refund of $720. Standard deduction, there are two types of deductions, you know that, itemized and standard or standard deduction. So definitely those, so you can choose only one, whether you have to choose whether you are 18 years old, 16 years old, you are going to file the taxes, you get the same standard deductions. So USA government gives you two options, whether you go for the standard deduction, whether you go for the itemized deduction. If your itemized deduction is less, right, so definitely standard deduction is the best option for you. But there are many taxpayers whose itemized deduction is far greater than the standard deduction. For example, 15,000, 16,000, 20,000 sometimes. So go for the itemized deduction. In this case, in the Sessions case, we've chosen the standard deduction. Okay, 14,600. Skip. No itemized deduction. Continue with standard. Okay. Some questions. Did anyone in your family have college? Or said no. Did you contribute? No. Did you have medical expenses? No. Did you have an investment? No. I said continue. Done with tax breaks. Continue. Check my info. It's so simple to file your taxes via Turbotax. Continue. 720. I got $720 refund, federal refund from the government. Now I'm going to go for state taxes. Let's get started. State taxes. It will automatically calculate my state taxes. Final review. I got the 720 refund from federal government and I got the $20 refund from New York. I mean, Sessions got the $20 refund from the state. So total of $740 refund. 20 plus $20. Understand? That's how this is a simulation of Sasha's income taxation. This is the breakdown of Sasha's income. Adjusted gross income of 4320. Continue. Federal refund, this is the breakdown. I said okay, continue. Completed Sasha's taxes. That's how you've filed the US income tax via TurboTax. I hope you've understood. This is a very good software, TurboTax from Intuit. So thank you very much for watching the tax simulation.